Wife's taking notes, so you better watch close before I mess this up. 1. Bye-bye belly fat without any surgery. Boil green apple, cinnamon, turmeric, and water. Drink. This brew 30 minutes before bed for 3 days to burn fat and detox your whole body. 2. How old were you when you found out that if you chop some strawberries and bananas in half, stow them in a container and freeze them solid, then toss them in a food processor, pour 1 cup cold milk, blend it smooth, transfer this mix into a baking dish, flatten it out nicely with a spoon, and chuck it back in the freezer. You get the absolute best healthy strawberry ice cream you've ever had. 3. Cleanse your sluggish liver and feel fresh again. Kicks anemia out, boosts your daily energy, and fixes digestion fast. Let me show you how to make this super easy home remedy. Quick pause. Smash that like button right now so you don't miss our daily health hacks. Drink day 1 and feel the magic happen instantly, giving you energy like a young teen again. 4. Add 2 cups frozen peach slices, 1 2-cup Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons honey, and 1 tablespoon coconut cream. Blend till silky, freeze 3 hours, and enjoy. Drop link in comments for our full recipe book. 5. Wipe out indigestion real quick and naturally with this powerful quick trick. Mix olive oil, baking soda, honey, and fresh juice of half a lemon together. Take on empty stomach to soothe stomach ache, nausea, bloating, and get your appetite back. 6. Did you know if you blend banana, cocoa powder, milk, whiz it all up, simmer a few minutes, pour into a mold and chill, you get a healthy banana chocolate mousse cake? No added sugar, super creamy, and naturally sweet. 7. Secret bug repellent trick right here. Keeps annoying pests far away from home. Grab paper towel, add ground coffee, toothpaste, crushed bay leaves, and a few whole cloves. Roll it tight like a little tube. Stand it up inside a glass container. Light the top up for a fresh scent. That makes your room smell amazing and scares off bugs and flies from bugging you all day. 8. Soak 2 tablespoons chia seeds in water, then toss a cup of pineapple in the blender. Lemon juice, chia water, half an apple, and blend for 1 minute. Hit like and save this recipe right now. This powerful detox drink flushes colon waste and stops bloating fast. 9. Add 1 cup oats, 1 ripe avocado, 2 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, 1 TSP baking powder. Blend smooth, bake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Soothe bloated belly and acid reflux fast. Mix half lemon juice and baking soda in warm water. 11. Mix Greek yogurt and peanut butter, top with dark chocolate, and chill for high-protein cups. How old were you when you realized slicing strawberries and bananas in half, tossing them in a container and freezing them solid, then dumping them into a food processor, pouring a cup of cold milk and blending it up, transferring the mixture into a baking dish, smoothing it out nicely with a spatula, and throwing it back into the freezer, gives you the most insane, healthy strawberry ice cream my wife absolutely adores? 13. Char half an orange over the stove until it's nice and blackened, then squeeze it out. Into a mug, add half a lemon juice and a spoonful of honey. 1 shot melts away phlegm and clears you right up. Unclogs lungs and stops coughing naturally. My wife swears by this ancient remedy every single time. Save this hack before you lose it forever. 14. Add 1 cup oats, 1 ripe avocado, 2 bananas, 2 eggs, and 1 TSP baking powder. Blend smooth, Bake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes and serve this soft avocado banana cake to the boss. Comment link to grab our free cookbook. 15. Skip bread and make this legendary breakfast instead. Grab 3 bananas from your kitchen counter. Slice 2 of them up and save the last one for later. Trust me, my wife was totally blown away by this dish. Super easy, foolproof, and absolute fire. Your whole family is gonna beg for seconds. I served this to our guests yesterday and they lost it. Now mash that leftover banana real good with a fork. Keep mashing until smooth. I love making easy treats like this. If you want crazy flavor, with zero effort, you just struck gold right here. Scoop all that mashed banana into a bowl. Child's play to make, isn't it? Crack 3 eggs straight into the bowl. Whisk them thoroughly until everything turns completely liquid. Just basic pantry staples you already own. No fancy grocery run needed today. Mix it up until it reaches this exact consistency. Dump in 2 spoonfuls of rolled oats and give it another good stir. Drop your city in the comments below, and I'll send you a massive shout out. Today's love goes to Mark Rogers all the way from New York. So glad you guys are loving these simple hacks. Take your sweet time. The end result is insanely delicious. Perfect for breakfast, late snacks, or pleasing the wifey. Drizzle a little olive oil onto your hot skillet. Brush it around evenly so nothing sticks. In a rush before work? This 5-minute recipe will save your morning. Works amazing as a quick midday bite, too. Arrange those banana slices neatly across the pan. You're unlocking a secret chef trick here. You won't find this unique method anywhere else. Pour your batter right over the banana base. One bite, and this becomes a permanent family favorite. Super practical, cheap, and heavenly. Cover with a lid and let it cook low for 10 minutes. Use a flat plate to flip it like an absolute pro. Look at that golden crisp caramelization. The texture is going to be out of this world. Cover again and let the bottom side cook for 5 more minutes. Boom! Perfection on a plate. Smells so good, my wife is already running to the kitchen. Drizzle raw honey over the top to take it over the edge. Fast, cheap, and insanely satisfying. Made with basic ingredients you already have. This is a weekly staple at our house now. Once you try it, you'll never go back. Snap a picture and show me how yours turned out. Now go impress your wife and kids with this. Surprise them with the ultimate healthy breakfast tomorrow. 0 baking skills required. A few simple ingredients and you're the hero of the day. Enjoy every bite. Don't forget to share.